Forensic psychology is the relationship between the criminal justice system and psychology. It has been around for decades, but has recently flourished thanks to its portrayal in popular movies and television shows. A forensic psychologist's job is to testify in court, translate information in an articulate manner, and understand rules, philosophy, and standards in court. Many important people have helped forensic psychology flourish throughout the years. Some of these people include William Wundt, who founded the first psychology lab in Leipzig, Germany, 1873. Hugo Munsterberg set up his own psychology experiment at Harvard University to see whether psychology could correlate with the legal system. J. McKean Kendall conducted some of the earliest research on the psychology of testimony. William Morrison discovered a relationship between blood pressure and lying, which he called the discontinuous method. Interrogation is used by forensic psychologists with the goal of receiving a confession or to obtain information. Some interrogation techniques include suggestibility, which is the quality of being inclined to accept and act on the suggestions of others; deception, which acts to propagate beliefs that are not true or not the whole truth; good cop, bad cop involves a team of two interrogators who take apparently opposing approaches to the subject; pride and ego down is a technique used by captors in interrogating prisoners to encourage cooperation; the Reed technique is a method of questioning subjects and assessing their credibility; and torture, which is the act of inflicting severe pain, whether physical or psychological, as a means of punishment. A polygraph machine is able to measure, record, and analyze a person's physiological responses when asked a variety of questions. Some physiological responses include sweating, perspiration, breathing changes, and body movements. A polygraph machine is also known as a lie detector. The three types of polygraph machines include the analog polygraph, which is able to measure at least 3 physiological responses. When the machine is turned on, the polygraph needles scratch lines onto a roll of paper. The lines represent the levels of stress the person is experiencing, and that stress is believed to be caused by telling lies. The handheld polygraph is a smaller version of the computerized polygraph and uses algorithms, which is when the device decides whether the suspect is telling you the truth or not. The computerized polygraph has replaced the analog machine since 1993. It is able to make its recording on a computer's hard disk, which can be viewed on a screen or printed out.